I found this pumpkin plate from the Dollar Tree, and I flipped it over, and I took some Krylon Chalky Finish Classic White Spray Paint, and you should wear a mask and go outside while using this. And I gave the pumpkin plate about 2 coats of the Classic White Finish. And I allowed that to fully dry. I took some Mod Podge Dimensional Magic. You can find this right from Hobby Lobby. And I squirted it into a plastic cup. I then took some fine glitter, and I mixed this with the Dimensional Magic. You can put as much glitter as you'd like. And once you feel like it's mixed well, I started in the center of the pumpkin here, and I just dumped it in. And you want to make sure you put enough so that it fills that entire section without overflowing into the other sections. And as you can see, the plate has some markings on it, and the markings are raised up a little higher, which gives the design of the pumpkin. So I'm just using a paintbrush to kind of just help move the Mod Podge around. And you want to make sure that you have it on a flat surface, that way it will self-level. So then I took some more of the Dimensional Magic and glitter, and I just mixed it together, and I moved on to the next section. I used the entire bottle of the 2-ounce Mod Podge Dimensional Magic, and my glitter is extra fine, and the color was rose gold, and I got that from Hobby Lobby as well. And as you can see, the center section here looked a little cloudy still. It will look like that until it fully dries. And then I just went through each section with the Dimensional Magic and glitter. I allowed that to fully dry, which took a couple of hours. And as you can see, once it was fully dry, the cloudiness has gone away. I then took some dry thyme from Wise Owl Paint, and I just painted the stem of the pumpkin. I did 1 coat, and I allowed that to dry. And then I did a second coat for better coverage. And then I just took a baby wipe to wipe off any paint that I got onto the white. I allowed that to dry. I took my drill and I just put a hole at the lower part of the stem. And I took some jute and I just tied a knot. And I flipped it over and tied another knot to make a loop as a hanger. And then I just cut off the extra jute. So now I have something to hang it from. And then I found this bow and this glitter leaf from the Dollar Tree. I've also seen these glitter leaves at Dollar General. And I attached the leaf to the right side of the bow. And then I took some hot glue and I attached the bow to the bottom of the stem. And that's it. Now we just have this fun pumpkin that you can hang right on your wall. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out some other tutorials over on our YouTube or our webpage. Have a great day.